Hey everybody, it is Taylor of Summerdale Soul here. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm actually going to be bleeding my brakes. So with the help of my wonderful mom, I'm going to put her in my brand new seat and we're going to get her going on one-sided leg day. So as I've learned this lesson many times, I figured I would take the time to prepare to do this right. I started by removing the wheels on all four corners so I could inspect each of the banjo bolts around the car. With all four of these tucked out of the way, it was time to see just how tight these were. And I'm glad I did. I'd already added some fluid into the system, but with a little bit of tightening that was quickly resolved. I tried to get everything up that I could so I would know if I had any leaks going forward. I have the lovely assistant. Thank you! So, I think everything's closed. Go ahead and pump it up, see how it feels.
Like that?
Yeah, all the way to the floor. There you go. Alright. Almost there. These gloves are the worst. Nothing, good. Alright, pump it up. Keep pumping.
It's getting stiffer for sure.
Good. How's it feeling?
Definitely stiffer.
Oh yeah, we're pulling the fluid through. And thank God for that patience because wow, her child is dumb. I may have checked all four corners of the car, but I completely forgot about where they connect over the rear subframe. Thankfully, I remembered the handy-dandy tool I used to bleed her brakes. This freed her from any additional manual labor. I was able to gravity bleed this by getting this lower than the caliper and opening the master cylinder cap. As you can see, I had plenty of air to remove. I wonder why. So, I cannot believe I've never done this before. I guess I've never really had the right bleeding tool. I used this on my mom's car, but didn't think about my own. I'm never bleeding brakes the same way I have in the past. Ever again! That's a brake pedal right there.
Woo! Wow.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching and following along. This one was just a quick update to show you where I was with the car, but I'm really hopeful that the next video should be the first drive. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.
Are you ready for a beer now?
Yes, please.